Good morning. Today I'm going to explain you the last topic of the chapter, which is crystallization. Firstly, you should know what is crystallization. The process of obtaining large crystals of a pure substance from its solution is called crystallization. In other words, we can say the method which is used for obtaining a substance in pure solid geometrically shaped crystals is called crystallization. This process of crystallization is used for obtaining pure crystalline substance from its impure sample. For example, you come to know that you use common salt in your homes. This common salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation, and then it is purified by the process of crystallization. The seawater is collected firstly in shallow beds where water evaporates, leaving behind the crystals of common salt. This common salt is then purified by the process of crystallization in factories. Here is given how to purify the crystals of copper sulfate. So here is written to prepare the crystals of copper sulfate. It means how we remove the impurities from the copper sulfate crystals. Here what we require impure sample of copper sulfate. We require a beaker, some water, some filter paper, distilled water, dilute sulfuric acid, etc. What is the procedure? You have to take some water in a beaker and then add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to it. We add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to water to make it more conducting, and then we will heat this water to its boiling point. When the water starts boiling, we have to remove the beaker from the fire and keep it on the table. Now what we will do after removing the water from the fire, we will start adding crystals of copper sulfate to this water, and we will stir it with the help of some glass rod to dissolve the crystals of copper sulfate. We will continue adding copper sulfate powder and stirring till no more copper sulfate can be dissolved, because after some time the solution will become saturated, and when the solution will become saturated, we can not add more amount of copper sulfate crystals to the water. So what is written here? Firstly, we will heat the water and we will add a few drops of sulfuric acid. Then we will remove the beaker from the fire and we will start adding crystals of copper sulfate, as you can see in the diagram, and we will add the copper sulfate till no more crystals of copper sulfate will be dissolved in it. When the saturation point comes, then what we will do? We will filter the hot solution and collect the filtrate. Filtrate means the solution which is coming down, blue colored solution, in a beaker, in another beaker. Now we will allow it to cool and disturb. After some time or after a few hours, we will obtain bigger crystals of copper sulfate, and the impurities will remain behind in the water. In this way, the crystals of copper sulfate we will get after crystallization, they are of pure quality, and the impurities will remain behind in the water. So crystallization basically is the method for obtaining a substance in its pure crystalline form. I hope you have understood this method. Thank you very much.